Okay, who's this kid? Brayden.
He keeps falling apart.
Trying to get his presents.
Yeah, that's not even your present. I didn't say it was your present, mister.
I know.
How do you know it's yours? What clues?
Brayden.
Name on it? Your name on it?
How does it call? Okay.
Pop.
Mommy?
Brayden, you have to say Merry Christmas. Pop.
To Pop Tierney, though. To your Pop. Say Merry Christmas to Pop.
Hang on. Whoever's gift is like Steve, if it's from Uncle Steve, Steve has to give it to you, so you guys understand who it's from.
Oh, okay.
Nolly, say Merry Christmas.
Now, Brayden. This is Merry Christmas from Nanny to Brayden.
Nanny, okay.
Okay, and Nolly.
You have to give them the gift so they know who it's from.
What is that?
Awesome.
No way.
Should we get a garbage bag out?
That wouldn't be a bad idea.
Great, I'm using that.
Cool.
That's wicked, you know, Donald.
Mateo. Look, Mateo.
Steve, can you grab a garbage bag?
Yeah, there's a